Imagine yourself in this 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500 Z71. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: rear seat center armrest, rear step bumper, illuminated entry, off-road package, passenger door bin, dual front impact airbags, split folding rear seat, and power windows. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.